Alright guys, we will show you how to change the battery in your Toyota. I've got Toyota Corolla. So you have the batteries and you have the keys here. Just push onto the push button so you can take your keys out, and you see the little hole over here. Put your keys in there and then just twist it. Now it comes out. Okay, that's what it looks like. So just clip it and you see your batteries. So just use your finger, take it out from here, a little bit harder. What you could do is use this thing, your keys, and now it's coming out, just pops out. Okay, so you have your new batteries. Just slot it in. Okay, that's good. And now see, we have the batteries here, the chip on the other side, so just put it like that and just match the keys with the thing over there. And push the keys back in. That's it, and it's all